Hi, this is Michael Mongelli from MarineMax in Sarasota, standing aboard brand new 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Boat features twin V8 300 motors in white. A lot of comfortable seating on this boat. Features this flip-up aft seat that folds down for casting area in the back. Plenty of rod holders along the back as well. Sizable live well. Nice prep station here with freshwater sink. As we move forward here, you're going to see a very comfortably and well-appointed helm, Simrad electronics, Simrad VHF radio, twin bolstered seats with flip up and down armrests. As you follow me through here, on the port side, you'll see the swim patio door folds down to the water line. And as we move forward here through the boat, you're going to see a beautifully set up here bow with nice comfortable seating, flip up backrests on both sides, easily folds down, cushions are removable. You're going to find your windlass control with remote at the helm and up here at the bow with a boarding ladder. This particular boat features a motor guide already installed for your trolling motor, fishing needs. Huge space here. Huge lounge area for sitting, and also down below, very valuable storage. Tabletop as well. So this has been a brief walkthrough of the 2023 280 Dauntless from Boston Whaler here in Sarasota, and we hope you come see it.